صباح الخير. Hello and welcome back to Arabic Schooling. In our first 3 episodes, we started building our foundation in Arabic. We learned our first Arabic letters, learned how to use short vowels, and learned how Arabic letters can change their form depending on their position in a word. Today, we are going to continue with 3 new Arabic letters and learn how to pronounce and write them. So let's continue building our Arabic alphabet one step at a time. Here we go. Today we have just 3 letters. They look like each other. The only difference is just the dot, where you put it or where you don't put it. The first one on the right side is called Jeem. Jeem. Jeem has a dot inside it. The second one on the left side, it's called Haa. 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 Ha is part of my name, Ahmed. That's the ha sound in my name, Ahmed. So ha is the second letter. The third one, it's called Khaa. Khaa. Khaa has dot above. Khaa. So again, the first one is Jeem. Jeem. The second one, Ha. Ha. The third one, Khaa. Khaa. Let's see how we write them. The first letter is Jeem. You have the line here, and Jeem, you start from there, come here, then go down. You will do that with the Jeem, with the Ha, and with Kha. On the line, take that, go back, and then go down to make a circle. If it's Jeem, you will put dot here. If it's Ha, you will not put any dots. If it's Kha, you will put dot above. I'm going to show you again how to write it from the beginning. You will start from here. You will not go straight on the line, but you will go down with the tail and make a circle. Like that. And go down to make a circle. That will be easy for you if you follow that way. Now, it will be easy for you to recognize these letters with the short vowels you already learned. For the first one, for the letter Jeem, you will not pronounce the whole name of the letter. You will not say Jeem and then put the short vowel. You will just take the J letter, the Ha sound, and the Kha. So here we have the same letters, but with the short vowels. You are not going to pronounce the whole name of the letter. You will not say the Jeem and put the short vowel, the Ha and put the short vowel, Kha and put the short vowel. You will just take the first part, the J letter, the Ha letter, and Kha letter. So you take these sounds at the beginning and put them with the short vowels. So here the first one, Ja, the Ja letter with the A, so together is Ja. Ji, Ju, Ha, Hi, and Hu. It is very difficult to pronounce this letter with the short vowels. Some people say it Ha, like H, Ha, like hot. The most important part at the moment is to listen to it correctly. To know if the speaker says Ha, you should know that this is Ha, it's not Ha, it's not H. Later, when you practice it by time, you will pronounce it correctly. You will say ha, hi, and hu. The third one is kha, khi, khu. Kha, khi, khu. Again from the beginning. Ja, ji, ju, ha, hi, hu. Kha, khi, khu. The sounds are a bit difficult, but when you practice it, you will find it easy to pronounce. You know, this is a line. When you want to write the Jeem, Ha, or Kha, just come from here, go left, and go with the tail, and put the dot to make it Jeem. Let's say we want to write this letter at the beginning of the word, the end of the word, or in the middle. So you come here and go down. When you write it, you will not write it in that way if you want to write it in a word. You just do this, but you will not go down. No, you will just go straight, and that's it. You will just cut that tail. And that's Jeem at the beginning. The same Jeem in the middle. You will not go down. At the end, you will write the same, and you will finish it with that tail because there is nothing after to connect with. So this is how Jeem looks like at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Same thing with the Ha. It will take the same shape. Ha without dots. Same Ha. Kha will not be different. It will be Kha. Only difference is the dot above. Kha like that in the middle, and Kha is closed at the end. So you have the Kha, you have the Jim, you have the Ha without tails. At the end, you have the tail because there is nothing after to connect. Why do we cut that tail? Because you cannot go down here and connect it with the next letter because the line is up here. Kha and Bu and Sta. 3 letters. Kha, Bu, and Tha. Together, Khabutha. Khabutha. This is a word in Arabic. Khabutha. I hope today's lesson was easy for you to understand. And if you have any questions or comments, please write in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you find this interesting for you.